All right, this is going to be a real quick unit circle lesson. So I got the answer, the question you were asking about number 9, about the sine of 60 degrees, I think. The sine of 60 degrees. Well, on the unit circle, at all of these degree measurements, you have these x and y coordinates, um, all the way around the circle. So if you take this point here, where my cursor is, that point has the x coordinate of a half, 1/2, and the y coordinate of square root of 3 over 2. And if you notice in that same question, number 9, it said the first part was it had cosine of 60 degrees. Well, cosine of 60 degrees was the x coordinate, and that's 1/2. Now you could also put that in the calculator, and you'd get 1/2 too. But if you put the sine of 60 degrees in your calculator, you get a decimal. But the sine of 60 degrees is just the y coordinate, which is the square root of 3 over 2. And it's the same thing for all angles around the unit circle. The cosine of 30 degrees is the x coordinate. That would be square root of 3 over 2. The sine of 30 degrees is the y coordinate, which is 1/2. So anytime you're asked to find cosine, you look for the x coordinate on the unit circle. And when you're asked to find the sine, you look for the y coordinate. So at 45 degrees, the sine is the y coordinate, which is square root of 2 over 2. And the x coordinate is also square root of 2 over 2, so that would be cosine of 45. What about at 90 degrees? At 90 degrees, the cosine would be the x coordinate, which is 0, and the y coordinate is the sine of 90, so the sine of 90 would be 1. And what about at 210 degrees? Cosine is the x coordinate, which would be the negative square root of 3 over 2, and sine of 210 would be the y coordinate, which is negative 1/2. Okay, so that's just a quick unit circle lesson. So the sine of an angle is the y coordinate of the point, and the cosine is the x coordinate of the point. So that's where I got square root of 3 over 2, because that was the sine of 60 degrees. That was the y coordinate right here.